Hey guys, welcome back. So, if you have a use case where you need to provide one developer or one person in your organization to access the QMC and reload the apps, so those persons or those specific people will call as the task admins, reload task admins. So create a reload task admin. How you can do it via QMC? So it's a simple thing. First, again, we need to create a custom property. I will say the name of custom property as user task reload or something like that. Okay, and over to here I will check apps, reload task and users. I will say Control S, or you can hit on apply, it will save. So over here I will just say HR, because I have an HR app. I will save. Now I will go directly to the security rules. In the security rule, I will create a new security rule. Okay, over to here I will say QMC sections. Okay, it's not present, no problem. So over here I will just give it a name first. Let's say security role as, let's say, scheduler admin. Custom property. Over here I will write QMC section underscore task, okay, comma, underscore reload task. Over here I will check on read update checkbox. Okay, only two checkbox. And then in advance I will say the role should be equal to, okay, so I don't have a role over here. Now I'll pick one and I will rename it as scheduler admin, and I will say only in QMC. So this is one thing that we need to change. Okay, I will say preview just for fun, apply. I will take one of my users, let's say user 1, and over here as you can see we have user task reload. I will say HR. I will give it a role as schedule admin, and let's check this user. So definitely it will not pop up mostly. So as you can see it's not popped up. So I will go to my security rule and create another security rule to give him access to reload the app and the task. Okay, so over here I will go and I will just say schedule admin, let's say app custom. Over here I will just write reload task star comma app underscore with star. Okay, now as you can see, reload task and app star is over here. I will tell him to read update. That's it. And now a small change, I will tell him to do it in only the QMC, and then I will tell him a small security rule that I will write is if the role is scheduler admin, and I will say and user dot or user underscore this particular task that we created is equal to resource user task. Okay, so scheduler admin and user task is equal to resource at the rate user task, and it's turned off. And only for QMC I will say preview, apply, and let's check. Okay, so I will go here to my user, he's a schedule admin. I will remove this for now. Okay, over here I did a spelling mistake over here, as you can see. So I'll just fix this spelling mistake, and I will say save, and let's go to this particular user, refresh. As you can see, he can have access to the task now. So in the users, in this particular user I have removed, so I am going to add the apps to him, and let's see if he gets access, but we don't have any tasks to him. So now this guy can actually manage the task. So let's say I go to my tasks, create a new task, for the test application that runs daily, and I'll say apply. Okay, as you can see, for this task I will say that this is a test app. I will apply, and now if I reload, as you can see, he has access to that particular task. So in this way you can provide custom roles to specific users.